How to contact Monopoly Go support? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to contact the support on the game Monopoly Go. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget that you're going to be able to find the download of this game in the description of this video. So if I go into my app and you begin to play, in the top right corner you're going to be able to find the 3 horizontal lines. This is going to give you a new menu, and at the end you must tap on settings. There on settings, as you can see, you can change the language to enable the sound and music, and in the part of support legal you're going to find the customer service as the primary option. So they're going to let you go into perhaps like frequently asked question. Perhaps you're going to be able to solve your issue here. But if you want to chat with someone directly, you must tap in the first option, how can I contact customer support? They're gonna tell you that you can also get support by visiting this link. But if you scroll down in this page, at the end, they're gonna be the text. Need more help? Chat with us. If you tap there, you're gonna begin a chat with the Monopoly Go customer support. And that's how it works. That's how you can contact Monopoly Go support. Thanks for watching.